Hi Divas, I have another kit to show you today. This is Ladybug on Sunflower by Greg Giordano. It is a round Diamond Art Club kit. It is a 20 by 29 inch, which is a 50 by 73 inch kit. It's really, I love the size. So let's bring it out to show you a bit about the kit. As usual, I'm going to give you a little tour of the kit. First of all, you know, it comes with that plastic covering that keeps it secure in its travel to you. On one end of the box, you'll find the toolkit. And on the other end, you will find the little sticker. Now, here is the little sticker for Ladybug on Sunflower. You get a little sticker that you can put on the end of the box. You can use it on an inventory sheet. You can make a cover minder out of it. You can stick it on your refrigerator or your notebook, whichever you want. And you get a toolkit of goodies. You get a toolkit in every one so that you have everything you need in order to do your diamond painting. Come on out here now. Oh, I love this pinky plum color. You get your white boat with a stopper so that when you shake your drills around, they don't all fall out. You get a heart of 2 hearts of pink wax. That's really all you need. You get a pen with a copper tip and a random colored squishy to go with it. And you get your 2 multi-placers, a 4 and a 7. They are the most popular. They're the ones I like to use the most. And you get a bag of baggies in order to kit up. Kitting up just means preparation for diamond painting when you're separating your colors and putting them into little units that you can easily access as you're working. You also get 2 bonuses. One is a cover minder, and this one seems to be a flower. A glossy little flower. There's a magnet on the back and a magnet attached, and basically you pinch the canvas, you pull back the plastic that's covering the glue, and you pinch that between the bottom magnet and the top magnet, and it'll hold your plastic back for you while you're working. You also get a bonus of a random washi tape. Now this washi tape happens to be, ooh, it's really pretty. Can you see those flowers on there? I like that. I like that a lot. Very pretty. Washi tape you can use along the edges of your canvas to keep out the dust and, I don't know, pet dander, whatever happens to be floating around. And it helps you line up the first course of drills that you put on a canvas if you start on your edges. And it also helps divide up the plastic covering in case you want to do just a section at a time. Okay, let's look at this gorgeous painting. I'm going to roll it the opposite way so that it lies flat for you right away, but you don't have to do this. It relaxes fairly quickly when you're ready to work on them. They're not too rolled up tightly. Oh, gorgeous. Now I'm going to hold this sideways so you can see the whole canvas at once. Very, very pretty. This was a redo. They sold out of it the first time and they reproduced this one. Love it, love it. Ladybug on Sunflower. Now, ladybugs are known in our Pennsylvania Dutch culture to be lucky because they eat all the aphids, and in a farming community, something that eats the aphids off of your fruits and veggies and flowers is a very good thing. So the more ladybugs, the better. I love this. This is so beautiful. I love the colors, the yellows and greens together with the pops of red. Oh my gosh. So, so pretty. Look at this one in flight over here. Ladybug, ladybug, fly away home. Oh, neat. Beautiful. you get the two schematics at the top and the bottom. This is 40 colors, and it looks like there are 1, 2, 3 Aurora Borealis colors in this one. That's the sparkly ones. So I will show you those drills in a moment. Oh, I like that. I like the way the Lazy Susans, they have this, and it's the brown center with the black, and then they have the little pops of pollen around the top. I like that it shows the pollen. Daisies and the Lazy Susans in this. You also get a thank you booklet with thank you from the company owner Angie, with all kinds of tips and tricks and discounts to be found in it. And you get a large sticker that shows you the picture of what the kid is going to look like, and individually cut little stickers to put on when you kit up, when you prepare to get started, that have the sequence number, the symbol that you're going to be looking for, and the DMC color code number on it as well. And you can see how clearly those are produced. It is a very sticky canvas. It's a low lint, but it's nice. It's stiff to the point where it can hold up under the weight of the diamonds that are going to be on it. It's pinked and poked, which means it's cut in such a way that it will not fray. The drills come in a packet that's identified with the inventory number and the name of the piece on it. Now, Diamond Art Club puts out their drills in their trains here from like most to least. So I'm going to cut these apart for you and show you the sparkly ones independent of the others. Okay, I'm going to show you the colorful drills first. Of course, you get your blue and your green for your sky and your leaves. Look at the orange. Look at the bright orange that's going to be in those Lazy Susans. Get some gorgeous blues. Get some grays, of course. And of course you need the darker, the grays, and the earth tones to pop those brilliant colors. You have some gorgeous red in here. Some of the taupes, but look at the chartreuse. Woo! Gorgeous. And some greens. This is interesting. This one is not a special drill, but it looks like it's got a whole bunch of special drill hitchhikers in it. Looks like somebody accidentally deposited some white Aurora Borealis in the middle of those. I hope there's enough of the regular color, the 642 here. If that's the case, that's all right. Just contact, if you run out, contact Diamond Art Club for a replacement of the color if need be in the moment. Look at that orange. Wow, look at the pop that's going to make. More of the chartreuse and the greens. The mint and the browns. Pink and blue. A light lavender. I like that. That's going to be in the background, I believe. Look at that gorgeous orange. Woo! Ooh. Green. Here we have more of the yellow and the 310, which are going to make the rest pop. Look at that orange and the cream color. Oh, beautiful. Now let me show you the special drills. Of course, you have the white Aurora Borealis. Aurora Borealis just means it's special coated with the special shine. This is the 129, and the coating reflects the colors that are around it, the colors that are in light itself. 107 is a light red. Let's see where these go in the canvas. Let's see where the 141s go first. Of course, you're going to find the 141s, number 3, in the actual daisy leaves. That I would expect. Yes, all over the white daisy leaves. All over the white daisies. Yes, in here, oh, tons of them. That's going to sparkle and shine. Love it, love it, love it. Number 3s are going to make the whole thing pop from top to bottom. Gorgeous. 107 is your red. That's going to be the number 1, and that's definitely in the backs of the Ladybugs. Sparkle and shine, sparkle and shine. In every Ladybug, you have some sparkle and shine. You have that popping red, and there's some in this daisy at the bottom as well, kind of like to anchor the Ladybug on there. And then you have the number 2s, which is the light, the butter yellow. There's not many of them, but I do see a few of them in the Ladybug wings. You notice that when Ladybugs are in flight, you do see some of the sparkle within them that they reveal when they open their wings. It's either on their back. Most of the Ladybugs have some number 2s in them as well. Yes. So that's where you're going to find the special colors for this one. I like the background. If you notice, I'm going to bring it just to the background just a little bit. I want to show you the range of colors that are in this background. You have pinks, you have grays, you have shades of blue, and like a lavender in here. Look at all the shades that you're going to find, and some yellows in there. It's not a flat sky blue. I like that a lot. Very pretty, very nice effect to it. Very nice effect. Well, I've been waiting for this one for a while. I'm glad it came back in stock. Did you make this one? Did you order it this time? Are you planning on doing it for any challenges? Let me know in the box below. If you're looking for a discount on your very first Diamond Art Club painting, don't forget to check my affiliate link below and use the code WANDA'SWORKBASKET. I thank you for joining me on this unboxing of Diamond Art Club Ladybugs on Sunflower. Blessings, Divas. Bye.